or relational databases means just here always these databases stores a structured collection of data. Already yesterday I'm telling, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, yes, these type of databases, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these databases only stores a structured collection of data. Nowadays, unstructured data also storing by some databases, that is MongoDB. You have an idea, JSON objects only. That is no SQL, that is different. But Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Ingress, Postgres, Teradata, these type of databases or relational databases. We are dealing relational databases in our class. These databases stores a what? Structured data, only structured data, organized fashion only data is storing. Yesterday, I am telling like that. Now check it out. Observe it here. In a newcomer means this is a Oracle database. This is a relational database. Slowly observe it here. In this database, always a structured collection of data is there. Organized fashion only data is storing. Because here observe table format only. Now these all numbers are storing in a where this column. These all strings are storing in a where this column. These all strings are storing in a where this column. That's why a structured manner only properly the data is storing in a where these type of relational databases. For operating data in these relational databases, yesterday I'm telling one language only. SQL is a language. Simple. Suppose here Hyderabad is a location is there. Yesterday I'm telling this one fastly. Observe it here, newcomers. I want to change this data Hyderabad into New York. For example, we are typing a what? Some commands only. These type of commands we are typing. And now here these type of commands we are typing only. This is called SQL language. Suppose here I want to set here New York is a location, original data, that one. And now here, this is the way in a future you are also writing a what? Coding only. And now these type of, suppose here, whenever I'm typing a what, that one, then automatically the data is modified. And now here, check it out. Yes, in a previous case, Hyderabad is there, but in this case, New York is there because I am using a what? Some language only. This language is called SQL, structured query language. Yesterday, I'm telling. That's why all relational databases we are operating means we are using one language that is called SQL is a language. That's why yesterday, small thing I'm telling, Oracle is a relational database. What is the purpose of the relational database means? To store data permanently in a hard disk. If you want to operate those relational databases, we are using a three languages. I'm telling one is SQL, structured query language. Another one is PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Again, another language is dynamic SQL. Up to this one, I'm telling, and also another unnecessary things I'm telling. Okay, first time no demo classes, no like that. Okay, yesterday we are telling that one only. Any newcomer, don't worry. Now today, observe it here. Now company side, I'm telling only. Okay, demo classes, no. Now here, slowly observe it here. Don't write it anything because these are maybe so many fellows having idea. Actually. In a company is there, in a organization is there. Nowadays, suppose presently in a 2021 year, so many organizations maintains a what? How many types of databases in a company side means two types of databases are there. Two types of databases are available in a company side, in an organization side. What are the two types of databases? Please observe it here. Now, don't write it anything. And now here, check it out. Two types of databases are there. We are learning one type of databases, relational databases, I will tell you, but another databases also there. Now check it out. Observe it here. Every organizations maintain two types of databases. One is, don't write it only, just these are terminology. OLTP. In our classes, we are using these things only. OLTP databases, that is nothing but online, don't write it here, observe it here, online transaction, new terminology, online transaction processing. This is OLTP databases. OLTP databases are there. Okay, fine. Another one type of databases maintained by every organization nowadays, maybe so many fellows having idea, OLAP. What is this one? In which area you are working? I will tell you. Another, this Oracle is there in which area? I will tell you. What is OLAP means? Online analytical, online analytical processing. Online analytical processing only. This is another type of databases. This is one type of databases. Which type of database you are working? I am telling only. Which type of databases another type of persons are working in a company side? I will tell you. Okay, this is a one type of database. This is another type of database in organization side. Organization side, two types of databases maintained by every organization nowadays. But unfortunately, you are a first time newcomer also. You must familiar these type of latest technologies only. Now concentrate here. How you are understandable these two types of databases means concentrate here. Easily understandable. Now check it out. Slowly I'm telling only. Now here. Actually, all organizations in a worldwide, all organizations maintains databases. All organizations maintains databases. Okay, fine. Maintains databases. Maintain databases. Okay, fine. Actually, for example, you are taking anything. For example, banks maintain databases. Everyone knows. Banks maintain databases. And also telecom companies maintain databases. Telecom companies also maintain databases. Again, online shopping portals maintain databases. Okay, everyone knows online shopping portals, you are purchasing items in a way, online portals, no? Yes, those type of portals also maintain databases. Okay, fine. What is the purpose of those type of companies are maintaining a what databases means? What is the purpose? For storing, anybody having idea? For storing day-to-day transactions. Don't write it, observe it here. For storing day-to-day transaction. For storing day-to-day transactions purpose only, they are maintaining a what? Databases. Okay, fine. Observe it here. For example, and now here, in a customer, go to bank only. Very easy examples. What is the purpose? Those persons are go to banks means maybe they are depositing a money, maybe they are withdrawing a amount only. That's why customers deposit some amount, withdraw some amount, and also maybe transfer the money. Those type of transactions they are performing only. That is called a day-to-day transactions. Daily you are withdrawing money, there daily you are okay, so now you are depositing money, something is there. Suppose a telecom companies are there. Those telecom companies maintain a what? Customer okay, call details only. Call recording, all the details are maintaining only in a way telecom companies. Suppose you are purchasing a what items in a where in a Flipkart or Amazon means those okay, so now those companies are maintaining a what order details and also customer details. And now those all the things are maintaining by the way databases. Those are called day-to-day transactions. For day-to-day transactions, some databases maintaining by the way okay companies only, that is called OLTP systems. Observe it here. This is a what? So now day-to-day transactions, some databases, sorry, some companies are maintaining a what? So now for day-to-day transactions, so now here companies maintaining a what? Databases. Those databases are called, yes, your OLTP, online online transaction processing only. OLTP databases. OLTP databases, we are working only daily. Whenever we are starting our course, we are working in a where OLTP databases. In OLTP databases, we are performing insertion, updation, deletion, selection, so many operations only. Daily, we are working only in a way whenever we are starting a Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, these type of databases means we are performing a what? A day-to-day operations, a normalized tables or insertion, updation, deletion, ACID properties, and also, so now here relationship between the so many things only. Okay, fine. That is we are learning in our class. But unfortunately, slowly observe it here. Now here, what is the source of this OLTP databases? Here only we are working actually in a company side. Here, what is the source of the OLTP databases means, what is the source of the OLTP database? What is the source? Now here, where the data is coming from, this databases, OLTP databases does not store historical data. Only day-to-day transactions, it will be storing only tables, okay, insert, update, delete. I am telling you, don't worry. And now here, yes, here, what is the source of the where? What is the source of the where? These OLTP databases. What is the data source? What is the source of the data means just applications. So many applications are there. From those applications only. So now here, yes, these databases in a company side retrieving a what data, fetching a data. So many applications are there. These applications, from these applications only, and now here retrieve the data. Suppose here we are going to where bank any transactions. Okay, so now the transaction data store it into where this database. Again, which one? So now loan application stores what from some data from the where that application into where this source only OLTP databases. Another occasion of here withdraw, another deposit application. So many different applications are there. From those applications, data is storing, that is called, okay, so now here, yes, that is OLTP databases. Daily we are working in a where, and now here OLTP databases. I'm telling, don't worry, next only. And now check it out. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, every organization, not only these type of OLTP databases, another type of databases also maintained in a companies only. What is another type of databases means? For analyzing purpose, for analysis purpose, for reporting purpose, higher management level purpose only, decision making purpose only, some other type of some of your databases are maintained by the where organizations. Okay, fine. Those are called OLAP databases. Observe it here. These databases does not store a what normal data, historical data it will be storing. And now here check it out. Slowly observe it here. These type of another type of databases are there in a companies. Those type of, what is the purpose of another type of databases means analysis purpose, reporting purpose only. I will tell you analysis purpose or decision making purpose only. And now here another type of databases maintained by organizations only. Now here, these type of databases are also called as OLAP databases. OLAP databases, online analytical processing only. OLAP databases, OLAP databases. Slowly observe here, some terminology I want that purpose only, I'm telling this one. OLAP databases. Okay, fine. And now this is also called as decision support system. DSS, some fellows are calling only DSS, decision support system only. Okay, fine. So many fellows are having a doubt. Already databases are there for storing a what data. Yesterday, some roughly I'm showing a what bank example and all these things. But again, another type of database, OLAP databases, okay, they are maintaining only why? What is the purpose of OLAP databases means? Analyzing the data, analysis the business, analyzing the business purpose, analysis purpose only. Why we are not allowed to use, why we can't use OLTP databases for analysis? So many fellows having a doubt. Suppose this OLTP database is there, daily we are using Oracle, SQL Server, DB2 or anything. These databases, why we cannot use for analyzing the data means, everyone knows for analyzing a data, yes, here we need history. So now for analyzing a data, we need history, okay, fine. Observe it here, history. So now we need history only. And now here, observe it here, concentrate here. Suppose, for example, simple example, historical data is required really. For analysis purpose, OLTP not using only, some other database, OLAP using, okay, fine. But unfortunately, so now here, yes, for analysis purpose, what type of data is required? Okay, so historical data is required. Otherwise, history is required only. Okay, fine. Suppose, for example, Maybe so many fellows are viewing what cricket matches only. Now here anybody asking what who is the best player in the cricket? Okay, for example, okay, so now here they're asking, for example, how you are telling who is the best player means you, okay, so now you are also, I am also cannot decide it from current match. So whatever match is going on today, England and okay, so now India, yes, through that match only we cannot identify the what he is we cannot okay telling decided yes he is the best player, okay, in this match only best player. But unfortunately who is the best player in a cricket means if you know, so now here, yes, here who is the best player means past for example past 50 matches, otherwise past occasion of your 20 matches, 30 matches data we are occasion taking, and we have past previous so many matches, then we can decide who is the best player in the cricket. That's why historical data is required. Historical data is required. This OLTP databases stores a what? Current data. This OLTP databases stores a current data. Best example means banking example. Current data, withdrawing of money, depositing of money. That one is nothing but a what? A OLTP databases. But unfortunately, OLAP databases stores a what? Historical data. So now these databases stores a what? Stores a what? Historical data. Historical data, it will be storing only. Historical data is storing by the way these type of databases. Okay, fine. The OLAP databases store history data only, historical data. Based on that one only, now we are okay, so now producing a reports and making a what decisions only in a very higher authority persons, okay, managers. But unfortunately, slowly observe it here. Actually, what is the source for the where? Source for the where OLTP databases means applications. But unfortunately, what is the source? What is the source of the where? Source of the where? Source of the where? Yes, this okay, so now OLAP databases means what is the source? What is the source means? Observe it here. Slowly observe it here. What is the source data for the where these OLTP data, OLAP databases means yes, data is coming from here this OLTP databases. That's why here we are working in a company side also. Here some other fellows are working means yes, they are moving a data from this OLTP databases into OLAP databases. Observe it here. Yes, yes. What is the source data for the OLAP databases means? Observe it here. Yes, here. What is the source data? Yes, here. Okay, OLTP database is a source. From that source, they are retrieving a what? A OLTP data and okay, so now here, yes, some tools they are using here. Through that tools only, yes, they are modifying the data. They are storing a what data into where here this data warehousing technology. This one OLAP means data warehousing applications only. Here, staging areas, data marts, so many things are there. Actually, for moving a data from data OLTP databases into where OLAP databases, how can I means in a where in a company side some type of programmers are there. Those persons are called ETL programmers. So slowly observe it here, ETL programmers only. And now here those programmers only transferring the data based on the GUI tools only. They're transferring the data from source into where yes here okay, so OLTP into OLAP databases. That's why this process moving a data from OLTP into OLAP databases is also called as ETL process. ETL means extraction, extract, transformation, and loading only. We are retrieving a data from the where source and transform that data and loading that data into where staging area or data warehousing for analysis and reporting purpose. Actually, why I'm telling you what this data warehousing technology DWH like this means, the reason is there. Suppose now slowly observe here, some fellows are learning a courses, informatica, data stage, talent. Some fellows are okay, so now here learning a courses in a where BOS, OBI, so now here yes at so now here those type of reporting tools. So okay, so now TabView, QuickView like that. What is that one means? ETL, data warehousing technology. Suppose observe it here, concentrate here. Actually, moving a data from this OLTP to OLAP databases means ETL tools they are using only. Okay, fine. What are the ETL tools? So many ETL tools are available. That is a GUI tools. So many fellows are. These tools also they are learning. They are getting a job. Little bit of SQL knowledge is there enough. Actually, most of the ETL, okay, so now so much of powerful and a popular ETL tool is Informatica Power Center. Maybe anybody having idea? Any computer okay, so now students are there, those persons are well-known persons. Informatica is a tool is there. Okay, fine. Again, okay, nowadays talent is a what? Okay, so now tool is there. Okay, another one is data stays is a tool is there. Okay, so data stays IBM side only. On our data stays is a tool is there. These tools, ETL tools through just we are fetching the data from the OLTP and modifying the data. So many modifications are there. Summarized data we are storing in a where here only. Summarized data means historical data. Here maybe in our course we are learning aggregate functions are there. Aggregate functions, sum, average, so many things, pre-calculated data. So now here we are storing in a where here only in a OLAP applications. Based on that one, yes, higher authority persons, they making a what decisions. Yes, once the data is there in a where here, again some other business intelligence tools are there. Some other business intelligence tools are there. BI tools are there. Through that one, they are producing a what reports. BI tools are there. Otherwise, reporting tools are there. You are familiar here, something only terminology. Reporting tools are there. Reporting tools here. Okay, reporting tools. Based on this data, say so much of visualized okay, so now tools are there. Those are called reporting tools only. For example, which reporting tools are available in a market means so many reporting tools are there. Maybe OBI is a reporting tool nowadays. In a BOS is a what a reporting tool. Again, which one's on a Tableau is a what a reporting tool. And also QuickView is a what a reporting tool. Like this only, these type of tools also we are learning also, you are getting a what jobs. That's why these all the things okay, whenever you are working in a either warehousing technology side, this type of reporting tools you are learning. Otherwise, these type of ETL tools you are learning also, that is a GUI based only, graphical user interface tools only. You are not required to write a what a big coding. Just a little bit of SQL knowledge is required. Here, this is a SQL is there. Here, OLTP databases. Here, SQL knowledge is required. PL, those type of things are not required. Through that one only, just those are small okay, so now your formulas are there. Through that one only, transformations are there. Through that transformations, we are modifying the water data and dumping into where data in this one. Why this type of analysis means always higher authority persons are making a decision very fastly. So now here in a financial reporting and a war marketing reporting, otherwise forecasting reporting, in these type of applications, these type of reports are very helpful only, decision making purpose only, very helpful. But you are learning in our course in a where Oracle or SQL Server or DB2 or Sybase. Yes, these type of courses you are learning means where we are using a what? Yes, here those type of courses means here in this case OLTP databases side, here only. Here only you are working in a where, here only you are working on OLTP databases, day-to-day transactions. This is for OLTP databases. What is the purpose? Always running the what business purpose only, running the business purpose. And now here this is stores what current data it will be storing. But unfortunately, what is the purpose of OLAP databases means analyzing the what business purpose, that is stores historical data and aggregatable data, aggregate functions are there. We are learning only, or pre-calculated data is there. That is different only, and this is a different only. And now here in this case, actually these OLTP databases currently you are working only. Okay, fine. In a company, suppose Java developers, yes, backend is Oracle is required. SQL Server, so the .NET developer backend is SQL Server is required. These are day-to-day transactions. Okay, so a PHP programmer MySQL database is required. These type of databases are OLTP databases. OLTP databases. And now here, yes, these type of databases are two types. One is structured databases. Another one is okay unstructured databases nowadays. Actually, you are working in a where which type of databases? Always structured databases. Structured database means yesterday I'm telling Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase. These are called structured databases. And not only that one, unstructured databases also there. That is a MongoDB is there, Neo4j is there. These type of databases are called JSON objects only. That is a unstructured databases also there only. Okay na? Yeah. So now that's why presently or now currently you are working in a where which type of databases? Always these are structured vocational databases. That is a relational databases you are working only. Okay, fine. That much of powerful. So much of history is there. Demo class, no, just that's why I'm telling only. Cognos, BO, so many things are there. Now check it out. Concentrate on now here. Suppose, for example, now here. Actually, nowadays technology is this one. Actually, you are a data warehousing programmer. For example, you are an Informatica programmer, ETL programmers. Don't write it. Just of the terminology important. Why we are learning these all the things means observe here. Here you are a ETL tool programmer, for example. What is your responsibility means in a company side, and now here ETL tool programmer means actually so any companies also, suppose Amazon websites or otherwise, so many companies are maintaining different type of data in a different databases, different files only. Suppose here and now here, check it out here in a OLTP database means if we are learning what Oracle, suppose Amazon company is there, some type of data is maintaining by using a what Oracle database. Again, same Amazon company in a where some other purpose only, and now here the some other okay, data purpose only, they are maintaining some type of data in a where in a MySQL databases, different databases. Again, some structured, unstructured data they are storing purpose. JSON objects are there. Nowadays, MongoDB is there or not? JSON objects are there. Okay, so now JSON objects are there. That is also now here maintaining a what? Yes, here that company, in a company, for example. Otherwise, some type of data they're maintaining through the where XML. And now here, yes, this type of data also there. Okay, fine. Maybe so many fellows are well-known person. That's why different types of data is there. This is a structured data. You have an idea. Oracle, MySQL. We are learning whatever courses side only. Again, unstructured side, JSON, XML. This type of unstructured data is there. These all different types of data. These all different types of data we are retrieving what? Yes, here from the where? Yes, different resources, different sources are there. From these different sources only, they are retrieving what? Data, and by using what tools only. Yes, these are all different data we are summarizing only and calculating what pre-calculated data, and they are dumping what this data into where? This data into where? Data warehousing, OLAP applications. OLAP applications only they are storing what data for a decision making purpose. Okay, yes, actually now here actually we are learning what OLTP databases. Okay, fine. In those databases, actually Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, yes, here these type of databases we are learning. In a OLTP databases we are learning only. But in these databases is a structured or relational databases only. In these databases, always so many common concepts are there. In a future, in our courses only we are learning. Okay, acid properties are there. Maybe academic career side, so many fellows are in a computer students only. They are well-known persons in a very academic career side. Acid property, atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability, so many things. These type of things. Again, always in these type of relational databases, here primary key, foreign key relations are there. Okay, primary key, foreign key, these type of things only in a future. In our courses side, we are learning only primary key, foreign key, like this. Again, now here are the types of relationships are there: one to one, one to many, many to many. Those type of relationships are there. So many concepts are normalization is a concept are there. So many are now here. Yes, here these type of concepts are available. These all the things we are learning only. Okay, so now here in these all vocational relational database side, EF card rule, so many things only we are learning. That's why in our course side we are learning what? Yes, here 3 parts only. What is that one? In a where first initial stage only we are learning what? Whenever we are starting in our course, SQL structured query language we are telling only. Don't write it, just observe it here. In our course what we are learning only, that is important. Just better to know important concept. Actually in SQL side, first initial stage some DDL is there, insert, create, alter, drop, something is there. Yes, DML commands are there we are learning, and select command, how we are writing a what? Retrieving a data, I will tell you again. Now here TCL command, commit and roll back, something only. Again DC BCL commands we are learning. This is in every database common. Once we are good at what that one, then reporting side always a group by clause, having clause, yes, order by. These clauses I'm telling only. That is historical data we are writing means those type of aggregate group by clauses is very helpful only in a project side, in everywhere also. And now here once a select statement you are good means, then we are learning what main concepts in our yeah, okay, in a database SQL side also main concepts are joins is a concepts are there. Okay, joins means retrieving a data from multiple tables. Okay, joins are very important. Any type of projects you are working in a where in a OLTP also, otherwise Java backend Oracle, otherwise .NET backend in a where SQL server, anywhere also joins only most of the time. Yes, work is there in a company side. Again, not only that one, main concepts are constraints we are learning only. Constraints means always primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null. Yes, so whenever master table, child table, so many concepts are there when we are deleting a data. Okay, in a master table, what happened? So many transactions I'm telling. In a where in this relational database side, always these type of things you must familiar. Okay, fine. Again, not only that one, just subquery is a chapter is there. Subqueries is a chapter is there. Very important. Yes, this is the main chapter in a where SQL in every database also. Subquery means query within another query is there. Suppose I type what type of reports I want to generate based on that one. You are writing a what queries. Suppose we are attending a what interview, then interviewer asking display highest salary employee, display second highest salary employee. Those type of so many queries, so many concepts are there through that subquery chapter only. Big chapter that one. Through that one, so many things we are learning. And also analytic and reporting purpose, rank is a function, dense rank is there, and row underscore number is there. Those type of analytical reports purpose, lag and lead, those type of functions also we are learning in that chapter. Those are main chapters only. Again, not only that one, some other chapters are there. Views is a what? A big chapter is there. This is a database object. Again, sequence is a database object. Again, synonym is a database object. Those all the things I'm telling. Okay, so now synonym. Again, index is a database object. These are the common concepts we are learning in our SQL side. Not only that one, here set operators are there. Okay, so many things. Set operators. Again, conversions. Again, decode and case statements only. A difference between decode and case only. Again, regular expressions are there. Most powerful. Those concepts only. Regular expressions we are using only. Regular expressions. These type of things, so many things we are learning in SQL. In every database SQL also, these type of things are common. Again, but joins, constraints, subquery, use, these chapters are main chapters only. Okay, fine. Again, actually, in a PLSQL is a what? Another occasion of course is there after SQL completing PLSQL side. In that PLSQL side, some little bit of coding is there, but easy. In that case, just main concepts only. Cursor is a concept is there. Main chapter cursor, most powerful in SQL Server, MySQL, DB2 also that will be there. Again, exceptions is a chapter is there, most powerful. Again, another one is stored procedures. Java, .NET programmers are well-known persons in aware. Those type of yes concepts only must mandatory. We must familiar. Okay, stored functions also some concepts are there. Again here, okay, so now triggers is a concept is there. Again, packages is a concept is there. These are basic building blocks in aware in a database. Okay, so now course we are learning also. These are common concepts they are telling. Not only that one, this course is designed for job oriented. That's why after packages only advanced concepts I'm telling. That is very important. Job oriented types I'm telling only. Index table, nested table, VRI, okay, Rift, so those type of things only. Collections. Again, bulk bind is a chapter is there. Most powerful performance tuning chapter, that one only in a PLSQL side. Very important. That is a collections oriented. Again, another one is always I'm telling you what very important, riff cursor in a Java .NET programmer side. Riff cursor is a what concept is there. Again, local subprograms are there. Local procedures and local functions are available. Local procedures and local functions are available. Again, yes, UTL underscore file package is there. UTL underscore file package. Again, SQL loader is a tool is there. SQL star loader is a tool is there. Again, now external table is a concept is there. External table like this only. And now here imitating error. So many things are there. I'm telling only. That's why in our course, these all the things we are learning only. And now here, yes, these all the things we are learning. Very important in our course. Now here, yes, here, okay, we are all the things we are learning only in this course only, okay na? Yes, here. Why I'm telling you we're not started a what today means in a next classes onwards we are starting only in a where regular classes, because they are telling only tomorrow is a holiday. Today we are discussing very less concept only. Now here, tomorrow is a holiday first time, no? Now here maybe some other fellows are coming only day after tomorrow, okay, and that is Monday will continue remaining, okay. Monday onwards we are starting first onwards. What is that one or all the things I'm telling, okay? What is data, what is information, what is the difference only, what is data store mechanisms, flat files, drawbacks, then databases, the all the things properly one by one we are learning only, okay na? Yeah, up to this one small, okay, organization terminology I want only, that purpose I'm telling, okay na? Yeah, so now here, that is Monday onwards we will continue, okay? Any doubts? Okay, now yes, or actually so much of subject this one only. Now here we are taking a what? So now here this course is a 4 months only. Okay. Yeah, maybe take a more time. Yeah, 4 months above also maybe it will take, not a problem. But subject oriented this one always. Okay, na? Yes, here. Yeah. First initial stage only 1 hour they are telling a what course only, because first initial stage so many fellows are okay, that much of patience is not there, that's why less time. Later we are increasing the water time only. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay na? Yeah. Okay na? Yeah. So now here, okay, Monday we will start, okay? Yeah, don't worry, Monday will start. Yeah, where are you from? They're asking Hyderabad. Okay, yeah, Monday we are starting our course. Monday will continue. Thank you.